Hello, everybody, and we've got a question for you. Are you tired of looking at your living room wall and seeing nothing but a blank space? Did you know that your wall is the best place to unveil your creativity? Well, in just a few minutes, you can now transform bare walls into a stunning piece of art. Take note, you don't need to be a pro. So sit back and relax as I show you 5 amazing wall art ideas for your living room. So, first on the list is the Deers by the Lake and Mountain wall art. Nowadays, people are busy enough that they forget how beautiful nature is. By hanging this inspiring wall art, you can actually reduce stress and increase pleasant feelings. This 5-panel canvas print is perfect to fill up large spaces in your living room. The biggest size usually measures 40 by 80 inches. It will be awesome too if your room is illuminated with warm lights for a cozy feel. Perfect for those who want to achieve a nature-inspired living room. Just couple it with some plants and voila, you will feel that you are free in the wilderness. Number 2, Eiffel Tower canvas print. The Eiffel Tower is one of the world's most renowned pieces of architecture. It was primarily built to honor the French Revolution and should be taken down after 20 years. Well, it's 20 years and it's not down yet. Now, the Eiffel Tower continues to mesmerize us as Paris's centerpiece. The best thing about it is that you can also make your living room wall magical with an Eiffel Tower canvas print on it. It's like you're looking over at the Eiffel Tower from your very own window, or in this case, your sofa. There's no need to purchase a ticket, just go and see it. Number 3, the Sailboat during sunset wall art. Boats and the ocean can make us feel things. Just by looking at it, we could really relax. Sunset too is beautiful. This perfect combination of sceneries symbolizes many things in life. With wall art, we can choose an image that will help us cope with the fast-paced world. Sailing seems like an interesting way to catch up with yourself, and it's an amazing adventure with nature. However, you can actually admire the calmness of the sea through this wall art. Number 4, Darth Vader wall art. This wall art of Darth Vader emits power. That is, if you're a fan of Darth Vader. It somehow symbolizes that you are in control of your own home. Other than being well known as the greatest villain ever, Darth Vader resembles vulnerability hidden behind an armor. That makes him one of the most interesting characters ever made. So, let the Force continue on your wall. Number 5. Golden yellow sunset wall canvas print. The enchanting beauty of the sunset is always breathtaking. This picture-perfect scenery is one of the most magical occurrences in the world. Displaying wall art of it in your living room will allow you to savor nature within your home. It can bring back the good old memories from your childhood. In this way, you can enjoy sunset like you used to do. It has a way of making us feel like time stops, even for a minute. So, there you go. Upgrading your living room will never be a hassle anymore. With these 5 amazing wall art ideas, you can instantly turn your bare walls into a masterpiece like any other pro. We've got more tips in store for all of you, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon to stay notified to our every video if you haven't done that already. And please leave a like on this video if you found it helpful, and sound off below, you guys. Tell us what you think about these instant upgrades. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all again very soon.